I had this real clarity on the distinction between an invention and innovation. Now, I think when people tend to use those terms, they tend to use them fairly interchangeably, right? But what I found was that, because of this experience, was that those two things are actually fundamentally different. Now, innovation actually is not about anything new. Innovation is about impact. It's about change. When the iPhone came out, it changed your conception of what a phone should be. And that's really innovation. It changes your value system.
It changes the human. It changes human cognition.
I think the notion of the two pizza team, which has been sort of the gold standard, I guess, for a while, is going to go away. And that you're going to get maybe not even a single pizza team. Maybe it's like a half a pizza team or something, like two or three people. Just because when you have 20 or 30 agents in aggregate between these two or three people, it's like, how do you manage all that code that's being created?
I read this today. I think Mark Andreessen posted on X that I'll get it wrong, but that computer science has gone from a craft to physics, to something you learn the principles, but you don't actually have to sit down and write it out.
So I do think there's definitely going to be an inflection in the labor market. And we're already starting to see that, like Block supposedly laying off like half the people. I think you're going to see a lot more startups, and they're not necessarily going to be the blitz scaling type things. I mean, they could be, but you can get a lot of stuff done with one person. And so I think this notion that AI will take over or do things, to me, seems misplaced, because it's not about what AI does. It's about what a human does with AI.